What's up, El Segundo? We're here at Fire Station 1 for two incredible events, Super CPR Saturday and the Fire Station Open House. Let's go check them out. The day began with two CPR classes bright and early.
This is our big annual CPR event. It was started by our previous fire marshal, James Carver. He had a passion for teaching CPR, and he taught it right up until he retired when I took over, and it's a great way to bring the community in, teach them a valuable life-saving skill. And we've noticed as we go out on calls that people are starting CPR even prior to our arrival, so we're actually seeing the fruits of our labor, and it's great.
Even though it was not on the test, the participants learned a lot about what an AED machine is and how to properly use one in case of an emergency.
Our new fire chief, Chief Avery, his big push right now is to get as many AEDs as he can out to the community. So he's installed multiple ones at our Parks and Rec facility, at our City Hall, Senior Center, and we're really trying to get the word out about how life-saving these can be, and not only in our city, but in other cities and airports and malls and everything.
No, I think this is very informative. I think just, learning, maybe you can save a life one day. I think everyone should take these courses and just become a lot of aware as regards to safety.
I came out 2 years ago with my mom, and I really learned a lot about how to save people's lives.
Absolutely, I would definitely take it again. I think it's great. I think, whether you're younger or older, anyone can take this class. It's very informational, and it's a great class to take.
It's important to know how to do CPR in case if someone has faints or they have a life-threatening problem.
Once class wrapped up, it was now time for some fun. The Fire Station Open House was up next.
2 years ago, we actually combined our Super CPR Saturday with our open house because people are always asking us about it. So we're like, let's combine the two. It's been a great turnout. So people, as they finish up CPR, are now staying for the open house. But the open house is a great way to bring the community in, see what we do, see our facility, because everyone always like, oh, there goes the fire truck, but they never actually see the inside. So yeah, we're bringing the community in, having the kids see what we do. They love it, having the parents see what we do. And just letting the community know that we're thankful for them, that they provide all this stuff for us. And it's kind of our way to give back to the community and just get great community interaction.
Yeah, I mean, I've been here 17 years. I love working for the city of El Segundo. All the residents are great. I know when we put this thing on, I've been doing it for 15 years, that we always get a good turnout.
My father was a firefighter, so I kind of grew up in a fire station, so I already knew what to expect, but the girls' minds were blown. They loved it. They loved seeing where they all sit to watch TV. They loved seeing where they cook their meals. They were really excited to go in the fire trucks and go in the back of the ambulance. They really enjoyed it, yeah. Kids hear about what they do, but for them to be able to see it and touch it and feel it, it just brings a whole different level of learning. And it really makes an impact on them all the way through their older years. And so I think it's a great thing that the station does, for sure.
My neighbor and best friend drove past the other day and saw the big sign for the open house, and my son loves trucks and all things fire trucks, so we were like, let's go check it out. I didn't realize that they were gonna have free food and cotton candy and snow cones for all the kids too, and it's just been so nice. I remember doing this kind of stuff when I was a kid too, so it's really nice that my son gets to experience this.
That's a wrap on these two incredible events here from Fire Station 1. I'm Agiri Delio, and I'll see you next time.